Hello everyone, this is InDesign CC tutorial. Let's start. Go to the file, go to the open. If you go to your InDesign folder and there's a tutorial and there's a number 2 pages, click open. Okay, so in here, I want to show here. Okay. Okay, so this documentation, let's go to the right side, there's a pages. Okay, so InDesign usually used for make magazines or books. It means it has lots of pages. Okay, so let's click these pages in the right side. We are in the the typography workplace. So in the right side on the top, there's a pages. You'll see this is kind of introduction as a front. Okay, and this is up to the 17 pages. Okay, so this is pages. If you just click the number, you can go the page. Okay, or let me make it a little bit smaller. Okay, or if you just click with effective, let's say if I double click of the 6, the 6 will be up here, and 10 will be up here, 11 will be up here. Or if you want to see the spread, if you just double click 8 or 9 or 6 and 7. So this is a little bit different than, okay, let me show. So if you just move, okay, so in your screen, you might see like 10 and 11, but it doesn't necessarily, it is selected. Okay, so let me go there. Okay, so there's a lot of pages, and let's say, oh, I want to add more pages. So we want to add 2 pages next to the 7. So I'm in the 7, okay, and right click, I want you to insert pages, okay. I want to insert 2 pages in 7 after pages, and I want to the A master. Click OK. So after 7, there's like 2 pages show up, right? Okay, and you can using the shift key and double click, or if you want to spread not only 1 page, 2 pages together, you can move. Okay, so how about I want to move 8 or 9 to after 11. So I want to drag, and you will see that there's some bar, and I click. Okay, so now these new pages move to the 9 and after 9. Okay, so I'm gonna double click these 2 empty places selected, right click your mouse with the control right click your mouse, and there's move pages. Okay, if I move back to let's say after 15, so I'm gonna move 10 and 11 will destination after page of 15 and current document. You can actually move to these pages to the another document is open. Okay, click OK. So now these 2 empty documentation was moved to the after 13. Okay, so you see that you can move, and I don't need anymore. Okay, so if you don't need it, you can drag to the trash can or right click over your mouse, and there's a delete spread. Okay, either way. So now you understand there's a pages, so you can create any pages. You can create any insert page. It can be 2 pages. You can insert 4 pages, 20 pages, as much as you want. Okay, and then you can decide where you want to insert it, and you can move, you can duplicate it, you can delete it. Okay, so the basic idea of insert, move, duplicate, delete. So this is very important when you do the kind of the book design, okay, or magazine, if you have like several pages. Okay, so now you understand this is not only one, but lots of pages, and you can organize, you can insert, you can duplicate it, you can move, you can delete, right? And next step, I want you to explain about master. Okay, there's a master. So you mean like all small these pages show that everything there's kind of alphabet A. So what does mean the master? And this last page, you see there's like a nothing on it. So this is none. Okay, what does mean master page? Okay, so master page will be control, and if you, let's say, if I have a guideline master page, it will apply everything. If I have a page, everything apply. So master layer, it's very important. Master page is very important because think about if you do the book design, you need a kind of page. Everything will be kind of same size, same position will be the kind of, there will be page. Or running head, it will be everything same page, and which you don't want to be messed up. It should be regular and it should be everything consistent. Okay, that's why we need. Okay, let's go to a master page, and you can click this a master, or you can kind of double click to here. So I'm gonna go, this is a master page. Okay, so I want to have a running head and I want to insert page number. This is the 17. You can manually put the number, but that will take a lot of time. And think about if you need to put like 100 pages, 200 pages, and then you want to be maybe change pages, become totally complicated. So we want a better way to work with. So I'm in the master page, and I'm the T as a type tool, okay? And I want to minor pro regular, and will be 10, maybe smaller. 8 will be enough, and I want to be everything capital, and regular seems good. So I'm gonna make this text, make a text frame, and I want to type guide to English cottage gardens. Okay, and I want to, this one will be align center. Okay, and enter, and I want to put the page number. So I'm the T and type tool, go to the type, and there's insert special character, and there will be marker, there will be current page number. So they kind of show the A. So it means it will automatically, if you go to the page 1, will be the 1. If you go to page 9, will be the 9. And this InDesign automatically put the page number. If you change up the kind of page, if you move the page, it will automatically update. Okay, that's nice feature. Okay, so I'm in the selection tool. I'm gonna select it. And actually I want to copy and exactly input here. So I'm gonna hold Option key, will make a copy, and I want to move straight to the right and hold the Shift key. Option and Shift key is hold, and you need to drag. Okay, so I make exactly copy, and it will be moved to the straight to the horizontally. Okay, so I make this guideline. I make a running headline, and I put the page number. I'm in the master page, which is master will be control or apply all the pages. Okay, and I also want to have a guideline. So I'm in the ruler. So if you not mess up, I want to change with the inches, and left I want to change inches. So this will be 7" by 10". So I want to have a kind of center line. So this will be 7.5. So this is the 1, 2, this is the 3, and this will be 7.5. And I'm gonna drag from the ruler. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is the 11. This is 11. Okay, this is a 10.5. That's the center, and that is 10. So we need to find the 5. Okay, I'm gonna drag from here, and I'm gonna show to the 5. Okay, so I did everything the master page. Let's go to page 6 and 7. Okay, you see that there's a guide to. Let me close up. Okay, you see that there's a guide to the English cottage garden, page 6. Guide to the English cottage garden. Oh, okay. There's English. There's guided to English cottage garden. There's a 7, and there'll be 9. There'll be 11. Okay, all the pages. Let me go to number 1. There's like a 1. There's a Roman letter 2, 3, and so you see that, and also everything has this guideline. So I don't have to create the guideline each pages. That's too much work. But a master page will be apply everything. This is very effective and it will be very useful if you want to put any running headline or title of the book, or if you put any guideline, and page number will be very useful. Okay, so after you successfully apply this a master, let's go to here. But this is the front page. I don't want to put the page number. I don't want to put the head running headings, like headlines. I don't need like running headings. Okay, so basically I want to start from the 7, but from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 6 pages. I don't need to have a running headline. I don't need to have this page number, so I want to remove it. So how we can do that? So I'm gonna click the first layer, first page, and I'm gonna go to the 6th page, hold the shift key. So I select from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and you can go to this tab menu or right click your mouse, and we want to apply master to the page. Okay, and this is apply was to a master, but I'm gonna apply none. It means there'll be no guideline, there'll be no heading, there's no page number. Click OK. So now you see that there's no small a number, so this is just none. There's no master pages apply, and other pages all the A's apply, and last page also didn't apply anything. Okay, so that's why there's no heading, there's no page number. You don't want to put the page number in front and back, right? Okay, so in design, think about you are a book designer. You have to design like 100 pages, 200 pages. So in design, it's very important that you have a kind of overall design. Okay, and you need a better way to kind of apply for everything, organize kind of consistently. Okay, we'll learn more, but in the page it's very important. Okay, you can add, you can insert, you can move, you can duplicate, you can delete pages. Okay, and you can also apply a master, you can apply none, or you can create more master. Maybe the half is like a master certain way, and half will be kind of B master kind of certain way. You can also create like a new master, like this will be the kind of the B. So let me drag. So you can also create more master types of pages, and you can also apply. Okay, so this page is very important, and make sure this is save as, because it's pages. This is the template, like starting tutorial file. So I want you to put your name. This is a page in your name, and save. And also let's try to be expert and page, and we want to Adobe PDF print. Click save, and high quality print, that seems good. Export, click OK. So you'll see that here's our page, English Cottage Garden. And let me show at the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's no page number, right? And here there's guided to English Cottage Garden. This is 7. It's there, but it's covered by image 9, 10, 11. You see, apply all the master page. Everything will be same position and same size, same location. All the page number will be here. Okay, that's end of tutorial.